Hi everyone, welcome back. I have been receiving a lot of comments these days due to busy schedule. I'm missing out most of them. Sorry for that. I'm trying my best to reply all. Anyway, today's video is a little different. After coming back from vacation, I was a little bored with my decor arrangements, wanted to have a change in the look, but at the same time, I didn't want to spend so much on this. So decided to rearrange the decor pieces and clean on the go. At first was not thinking of doing a video on this, but then later thought if not many, a few may get some ideas on this. You may know better ways, but showing out how I rearranged my home. So keep watching. Now many of you had asked me in my previous videos what liquid solution I use for spraying onto the table and other for cleaning. Today using normal tap water. And in that goes little lemongrass oil. Now this oil I don't use in the diffuser, I use it only for cleaning purposes. I got this from Wayanad in Kerala, not this time but a year back, and it still smells good. I even use tap water and some vinegar, and in that goes lavender essential oil, but sometimes the smell of vinegar is a little too much for me, so I use it rarely nowadays. Now that's where we keep our shoes in. It becomes really dirty very easily, giving it a clean. And it's all done. Now that's a stone DIY vase done by me. I haven't taken a video on that. This was done quite a long time back. Now for cleaning the basin I use Jif, a steel scrubber, and a brush for getting the dirt out from the corner. That was from IKEA. Now that's spraying just water, no oils in there, just to reduce the mess of pouring water on top. That's an old potpourri, changing the holder. This one was bought few months back. It really has a good smell until now. I shall do a video on this DIY soon. Many requests on that. This was another crochet done quite a long time back. These are artificial flowers, not real one. This was bought just for 5 reals from a nearby store. I'll show you how to store banana for a longer period in my coming video. Arranging the dining table always differ. I may use runner and mats, or sometimes it's only mats. Sometimes it's just arranging the center. I had already shown this in one of my previous videos that to light a candle that's deep, use a spaghetti stick. Just giving a small change over here. That's a glass bowl. Added few colorful stones into it. I'm not cutting out the stem part because I may need again if any changes, so just bend to half. These again I got for 5 reals. It was coming off, so I added everything together into a vase. This was not much appealing, but I'm keeping it over the fridge. I'll be uploading a fridge organization video soon. That's a step stool. Arman uses it while brushing his teeth. It's all dirty, so spraying with some Korus, that's a bleach. Now towards the cooking range. Adding some water on top. Here again I use some Jif and very few drops of dishwashing liquid. I use a steel scrubber to scrub out the dirt. The rest I give a quick wash with dishwashing liquid and sponge. Now to the Iron Kadai. This is one that I had bought from Kerala this vacation. It's almost seasoned but not completely. Now a quick tip from my aunt. If yours is newly bought or not completely seasoned like mine, first wash the Iron Kadai very well. Add some oil and spread all over. Keep the kadai in very low flame for 5 to 10 minutes. Now if you have bright sunlight, keep it under the sun for 10 to 15 minutes. If not, do it over the stove. Then take it off. I'm using an old t-shirt, keeping it for 24 hours. Then next day again wash the kadai. Spread oil. Keep over very low flame for 5 to 10 minutes. Continue doing this for 1 week and then you can start cooking in it. After each cooking, wash the kadai, spread some oil and keep inside the cupboard. After 2 weeks or a month, your kadai becomes like a non-stick. So that ends today's video. Hope you liked it. If so, please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't yet. Press the bell icon for notifications on my updates. See you again with more videos. Until then, take care. Bye-bye.